Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. And today we are starting with Project Showcase Season 2 or Chapter 2 I guess. In this first episode we are gonna clean up all of the layers. We're gonna get rid of all the dust and um, dusty cars. We are all gonna clean them. If you want to know how to clean cars, we are gonna do that in a later episode. I'm working on a beginner's guide, a collector's beginner guide right now. Um, yeah. To after I cleaned all the cars, I'm gonna move them into this lower part because in this lower part all the cars down there are already cleaned. And I skipped ahead for you. Yeah, here you can see the upper part of the lower part is almost filled. So yeah. And how are we gonna clean? Simply, we are gonna use some tissue. I don't know how it's called in English, but it's like one of those tissues that collect dust very well. I'm gonna go on the sides and back side as well. And yeah, this one is just for example. I'm gonna do most of this off camera, but I still wanted to record the progress step by step and how long it takes. Okay, now for you the video is only a couple of minutes long, but this episode in which I didn't even get done with cleaning up took me about 1.5 hours because you have to move the cars, you have to clean every single car itself, move it to its specific part without damaging other cars and itself, and so on. And then you have to go over with the microcloth, with the tissue, whatever, and collect the dust and other stuff and dirt from it. I actually do not remember why I showed you the McLaren F1 GTR from the Silver Series Neon Speedsters, and maybe because I wanted to show you some details, but you've seen it in other videos multiple times already. I think at least once or twice, and yeah, I don't remember why I showed you. Maybe because before I cleaned it up and after I cleaned it up, I don't know. think about something for yourselves. Let your creativity speak for yourselves. Let me know in the comments what you think why I did it. I don't know it anymore. And here you can see the difference between the car on it and the dust itself. The dust the car had hit, and after I just went over, and yikes, just disgusting in my opinion. And the car actually does not look better itself. It was full of dust. I don't think I showed it, no, but I have one more row to go in part 2, and yeah. Um, yeah. With the glass, I have to be careful because this glass isn't really fixed. It only gets hold by these little nubs on the side. And sadly, from this point onwards is sadly the file of the recording somehow corrupted before I even edited it. I don't know how this happened, and I didn't had the time, nor did I achieve to get it back in any way. For this, I show you some in the background some couple of pictures of how the showcase is looking right now. Meanwhile, I'm gonna talk about the plans for episode 2. In episode 2, we are cleaning up the lowest part, the wood part, the divider between the upper and lower part. We are gonna remove all the cars from there because for this I have something special prepared. I don't know if this is gonna continue on row 2 or not, but maybe it is. I don't know yet for sure, but yeah. The only thing that I have to do is the top floor, removing dust. I'm talking about. I only have to remove dust on the top floor with the Lego cars and the um, bigger cars, bigger than 1/64 scale cars, and yeah. And sadly, because of this episode is cut short. However, in episode 2, we are gonna go on as I planned. There are no changes at that point. If you like this episode, let me know in the comments. Let me know your guesses for episode 2, what I have planned, and then I see you again in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful time. Bye bye.